Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. This is DeegeeChef from the stables. Today we bring for you a simple and exotic delicacy from Central Asia. It draws its inspiration from the northwest frontier region. Namkeen Ghosht, a melt-in-your-mouth lamb preparation. It is a tribal delicacy and its origins are linked to the barren, high-altitude people who cooked with the resources they have. In a thick bottom pan or a pressure cooker, add about 4 teaspoons of desi ghee or clarified butter. To this, add about 1 kilo of mutton or lamb pieces, preferably with the bones. To this, add about 1/3 cup chopped ginger and 1/3 cup chopped garlic. Quickly sear the meat and add 1 liter of warm water. Add 1 teaspoon salt. The mutton is inherently salty, so watch out and we can always add the salt later. Add 2 slit green chilies and let this cook in the pan for about an hour and a half or 2 to 3 whistles of the pressure cooker. Important for this to cool by itself. That will allow for the meat to get tender and absorb the goodness of ginger, garlic, green chilies and the ghee. Now is the time when this dish starts transforming. To this, add 5 teaspoons of ghee again. Cook for about 5 to 8 minutes till the water evaporates. Finished with chopped or sliced ginger juliennes, 2 teaspoons of crushed black pepper, and 2 or 3 chopped green chilies. This dish is not for the faint-hearted, but I can assure you it is seriously addictive. This preparation is a favorite during Eid and large family gatherings. And it's actually more than a mere dish. It is a culinary representation of the region's history, lifestyle, resources available, and cultural influences of the region. Like I say, cheers to the emotion we call food. Hope you guys like it. See you soon. Bye-bye.